35 years, grabbed a 5 pair of 4 previous month's car with 3 live issues at 28 plus 6 week of gestation with oligohydramnias and bilateral renal anomaly with a hemoglobin 8 gram per deciliter and symphysiofundal height 28 centimeter.
What
Brief
do you mean by
presentation.
previous car?
Previous one lower segment cesarean section.
Okay, how will you manage it?
After I will repeat the ultrasonography by the consultant radiologist
Okay.
to rule out either it is an isolated anomaly or associated with other anomaly. And after the
If it's
involving,
isolated anomaly, then how will you manage it?
I will counsel the couple in collaboration with the pediatrician and pediatric surgeon. If it is an isolated anomaly, then I will counsel the couple regarding the diagnosis that the patient is having a pregnancy with anomaly, but this is isolated anomaly. As so, I will prolong the pregnancy as close to the term as possible. And
What is prognosis of bilateral polycystic kidneys? Why she was offered termination?
I will not offer her termination. I will try to prolong the pregnancy as close to the term as possible.
What is prognosis of fetus with bilateral polycystic kidneys?
Good prognosis.
Have you studied bilateral polycystic kidneys or not?
No, madam. Bilateral polycystic kidney.
What are renal anomalies that can occur during pregnancy?
Polycystic kidney disease or multicystic kidney and renal abnormality, renal agenesis, bilateral renal agenesis, unilateral renal agenesis.
What is prognosis in bilateral renal agenesis and unilateral renal agenesis?
In unilateral renal agenesis, there is good prognosis, but in bilateral, there is very poor prognosis.
Okay. In which renal conditions termination of pregnancy is recommended?
In bilateral, renal agenesis termination is recommended.
Any other? Any other candidate? Why you are if you are there is good prognosis in bilateral polycystic kidneys, why your patient was offered termination?
Dr. Shazia, prognosis in bilateral polycystic kidney disease poor, so that's why doctors recommend termination.
Then why Dr. Sidra is continuing her pregnancy?
Sorry, ma'am. Bilateral polycystic kidney disease of prognosis is poor, so I will not continue the pregnancy till term.
Then how will you counsel the couple? आपने तो counseling ही गलत की है couple की.
I will be very sympathetic to the couple that.
Sympathetic or empathetic? What is difference between sympathy and empathy?
Collaboration with the pediatric surgeon. The fetus has abnormal and the baby prognosis
Dr.
of the
Sidra,
baby is
what is difference between sympathy and empathy?
sympathy. डॉक्टर शास्त्री आप यूं ना करें.
इम्पोर्टेंट बात है डॉक्टर सिद्रा, क्या हो गया है? देयर इज डिफरेंस.
सिंपैथी यानी कि पेशेंट को बहुत उसमें मतलब रिस्पेक्टफुली और उनकी रिस्पेक्ट विशेष को रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए उनकी काउंसिल करना पेशेंट को.
ओके, एंड व्हाट इज एम्पैथी?
मैडम अब एम्पैथी का सेम ही है.
सिंपैथी का मतलब ये होता है कि तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बुरा हुआ, ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए था. एम्पैथी का मतलब है I can understand your problem. If I was at your place, then I can understand.
ठीक.
मैं महसूस कर सकती हूँ कि अगर ये मेरे साथ होता तो ये कैसा महसूस होता. And
ठीक
in
है.
medical, we counsel patients or we approach patient with empathy, not with sympathy. Sympathy वो होती है जो मोहल्ले की आंटियां आके कहते हैं पुत्र तेरे नाल तेरी सस ने बड़ा ही बुरा कीता है, and जो होना नहीं सी
I
चाहिए.
will be empathetic to the couple.
Okay. So
And
everyone in
counsel.
exam is important.
ठीक. And counsel in collaboration with the pediatric surgeon.
Okay. Then
and as she has bilateral polycystic kidneys, so it is better to deliver the baby because the prognosis of the baby is not good. So after counseling and taking the informed consent, I will plan her induction.
ताकि बंदी अगर आपने इंडक्शन ही कर देनी है चुप करके, why she is continuing pregnancy despite termination being offered to her?
If the patient will, if the patient gives the consent, after that I will plan according to the patient.
Have you discussed with your patient what she wants? And in history,
Yeah.
you yourself told that despite being offered termination of pregnancy, she wants to continue her pregnancy. So how will you counsel a couple if even if fetus is having a condition that is not compatible with life? Recounsel them.
Recounsel. I will recounsel them that
क्या
the fetus
काउंसलिंग
is.
क्या करोगी? दोबारा काउंसलिंग करो.
Fetus is at increased risk of. Madam, आपने AFI 6 दिया है. That is not a leukohydramnios.
What is gestation of your patient?
28 plus 6 weeks, and according.
And the liker you are given was at 20 weeks when anomaly scan is carried out.
Yeah, ठीक है.
Have you checked liker again on recent scan? Was there needed or not?
Yeah. I will rescan her and a rescan from the radiologist.
Okay.
For the confirmation of any anomaly, either isolated or associated with other.
Isolated anomaly. Will you confirm her amount of liker or not?
Yeah, I will confirm her amount of liker.
Will you confirm live presentation or not?
G.
Is there any role of confirming her lie and presentation?
Recent scan for the fetal cardiac activity, live
Then why you
presentation.
are
And
not asked for recent ultrasound before managing your patient?
Sorry, ma'am, but I asked for recent scan.
You asked, but it was to be discussed later. And when recent scan is discussed later.
Yeah. Now I need recent scan for my further management. For the amount of
For recent scan,
for the
there are
fetal
same
life.
findings as on anomaly scan.
Okay, bilateral polycystic kidneys and fetal lie and presentation.
Longitudinal breach.
Okay. As the patient has bilateral polycystic kidneys and her liker volume is 6 centimeter. I'm not a fluid index as you told.
Yes.
8.6.
Now counsel.
I will. Even then, I will counsel that the patient baby has bilateral polycystic kidneys and the prognosis of the baby is not good.
Okay.
But मैडम इसको हम एज ऑफ वायबिलिटी 28 plus 6 weeks. She is at 28 plus 6 weeks, and the patient do not want termination or delivery as she has no.
The couple now. Suppose it's me with a fetus or with bilateral polycystic kidneys. How will you counsel me?
As the fetus has anomaly and there is no benefit to continue such a pregnancy because there are some problems when the baby is in utero and even after delivery, no doubt the baby, there is no surety that the baby will be but I will counsel in collaboration with the pediatrician and pediatric surgeon.
उन्होंने लिख के भेज दी है, डिलीवर द फीटस एंड सेंड टू वी पीपल. You have asked her from them about opinion. Now how will you counsel me?
I will मैडम 34 वीक तक नहीं लेके जाएंगे इसको. पॉलिसिस्टिक किडनीज भी हो बेशक बायलैटरल पॉलिसिस्टिक किडनी.
पुत्र पहले काउंसलिंग तो कर ले, बताना क्या है मरीज को. हाउ विल यू अप्रोच द कपल एंड व्हाट विल यू काउंसल देम?
I will counsel about the maternal and fetal complications. There are some maternal complications and there are fetal complications. Mother is at increased risk of induction of labor and risk associated with that, and the fetus is at increased risk of intrauterine death and preterm delivery or
You will approach the couple empathetically and counsel them that bilateral polycystic kidney disease has poor prognosis, and I will give them the option of termination versus continuation of pregnancy. I will tell them all the pros and cons of polycystic kidney disease, but the final decision will be of couple, and my further management will depend on their choice. If they want to continue pregnancy, then what will be your plan of management? And if they opt for termination of pregnancy, then what will be your plan of management? And as your patient was already counseled regarding termination of pregnancy and they opted for continuation, if you give only option of termination, then they never would have continued this pregnancy. So the person they contacted first was wise, and he or she offered them both options, either continuation or termination, and they have opted for continuation. So you will continue her pregnancy. Now
ठीक.
how will you manage her?
If they want to
You are
continue
no
their
one to
pregnancy,
decide the termination of pregnancy, even of an encephalic fetus. It's parents' decision what they want.
yeah,
And you give them time to decide according to their moral and religious beliefs.
ठीक है.
Sometimes patients continue pregnancies even with anencephalic fetus with severe severe hydrocephalus with multiple anomalies. And they believe that they are no one to decide the fate of this fetus, and its nature who will decide. Now manage her. You have 5 minutes to manage the patient.
I will counsel the couple that the baby has multiple anomalies. Baby has hydrocephalus with the मैडम दूसरा क्या बताया आप?
हाइड्रोकेफलस नहीं है, वो मैंने वैसे ही बताया है कि अगर किसी का सीवियर हाइड्रोकेफलस भी हो वो भी कंटिन्यू करते हैं. आपके पेशेंट को सिर्फ बायलेटरल पॉलीसिस्टिक किडनीज है.
If the patient, I will respect the wishes of patient, and I have given the both options with the pros and cons, and my patient, I will finally plan according to the patient wishes, and but my patient do not want any termination of or delivery of her baby, so I will again re-counsel her. And I will keep the patient admitted in the ward, and will bring up her hemoglobin S. And
What is indication of admission in your patient?
At 28 plus 6 weeks.
Why will you keep her admitted? What is indication for admission in your patient?
एडमिशन की तो कोई इंडिकेशन नहीं है.
Then why you are keeping her admitted? सिर्फ प्राइवेट अस्पताल में एडमिट करके उससे पैसे बनाने हैं? Suppose if she is your private patient, then will you keep her admitted?
I will discharge the patient and leave the decision on the couple, and ask the patient to monitor for the fetal movements.
Decide कर लिया है continuation of pregnancy, then how will you continue or monitor this pregnancy? When will you deliver her? How will you deliver her? Will you keep her admitted? Will discharge her? And when will you advise her on a follow-up? And how will you manage her anemia?
I will call for the follow-up every weekly. Call for the follow-up every weekly till
Why
34
weekly?
week of gestation.
Why weekly?
As the baby has bilateral polycystic kidneys and the baby is at the increased risk of renal agenesis.
यार ये जो किडनीज बन गई हैं ये ऑब्सलीट हो जाएंगी। सिद्रा क्या हो गया?
Sorry, madam.
ये पहले ना ड्यू हर्ट से बैठ के पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ो एनोमलीज का।
इस पॉलीसिस्टिक किडनीज जिस आप कह रहे हैं बायलैटरल पॉलीसिस्टिक किडनीज में हम कब तक इसको फिर प्रोलॉन्ग करेंगे प्रेगनेंसी
ये अब
को?
आप खुद ही पढ़ोगे ना, बट ये कि अब पॉलीसिस्टिक किडनीज में रीनल एजेनेसिस नहीं होगा कि जो किडनीज की मौजूद है वो वहां से ऑब्सलीट हो जाए।
सॉरी, लेकिन ये है कि मैडम इसको जितने टाइम तक प्रोलॉन्ग करेंगे जब तक फिर इसको कॉल फॉर द फॉलो अप रखेंगे पेशेंट की एंड ऑन एवरी विजिट आई विल
डिलीवरी ऑफ ओलिगोहाइड्रोमियोसिस प्लान। देखो अब इसका ओलिगो भी चल रहा है, अगर ओलिगो नहीं भी है स्टिल ऑन लोअर नॉर्मल साइड पे यू विल कंटिन्यू प्रेगनेंसी टिल टर्म इफ देयर इज नो fetal complication or indication for early delivery. Bilateral polycystic kidney is not an indication for early delivery. You will deliver her, plan her mode and time of delivery depending on obstetrical indications. If polycystic kidneys are enlarged to the extent that abdominal circumference exceeds to the limit of vaginal delivery, then you can plan her abdominal delivery. Otherwise, polycystic kidneys are not an indication or contraindication to any mode of delivery.
ओके, पॉलीसिस्टिक किडनीज इज नॉट मतलब इसमें ठीक चला जाता है बेबी?
ठीक चला जाता है। आपने सिर्फ सर्विलेंस करनी है उसकी।
ठीक है,
ये आज आपने
प्रोवाइडिंग
पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ना है ड्यू हर्ट से एनोमलीज का।
ठीक है मैडम। Providing the fetal-maternal condition remains satisfactory, I will prolong the pregnancy and take the patient baby to the term 37 weeks. इसको लेके जाऊंगी अब polycystic kidneys, bilateral polycystic kidneys. But on every visit, I will inquire about the fetal movements and assess her Likert volume and do her obstetrical scan. At 36 week, I will also assess her Bishop and repeat her investigations. And
what is role of Bishop assessment at 36 weeks and what is reference for this?
Sorry, in multigravida, I will not do the Bishop coding at 36 weeks.
Primary में करते हैं 36 weeks पे Bishop. What will be Bishop at 36 weeks in?
Not Bishop pelvic assessment. Sorry, not Bishop pelvic assessment.
Pelvic, even routine pelvic assessment is not recommended in any patient. What is reference for pelvic assessment at 36 weeks in pregnancy?
मल्टीग्रेविडा में 36 या 37 वीक पे हम इसके पेल्विक असेसमेंट और
कहाँ लिखा है?
ब्रेस्टफीडिंग काउंसलिंग ये सारा कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन
डॉक्टर सिद्रा।
And after that, providing her good analgesia and psychological support, I will use her with a prostaglandin.
मेरे ख्याल है आपको काफी मिल जानी चाहिए। आप पहले ये बैठ के पढ़ो और ये बुक से आप रटे लगाओ शाजिया टूल से कि how we decide mode of delivery, how will you decide the time of delivery, and is there any role of Bishop or pelvic assessment, and routine antenatal जो है ना ये आप बैठ के पढ़ो EBM के फर्स्ट चैप्टर से और उसमें देखो कि कहीं पेल्विक असेसमेंट या बिशप असेसमेंट इंक्लूडेड है या नहीं है और ये हम रूटीन में करते भी नहीं है। When we do first pelvic examination in primary gravida and when we do first pelvic examination in multigravida, ये आपको रूटीन एंटीनेटल केयर की गाइडलाइन से मिल जाएगा आज। और इस पेशेंट की आपने पूरा पढ़ने के बाद मैनेजमेंट रिकॉर्ड करके भेजनी है और ये आपका केस भी रिकॉर्डेड है, इसे आपने दोबारा बैठ के खुद भी सुनना है।
ठीक है, ठीक है मैम,
ठीक है, ओके देन,
ओके।